Here is another question from one of our viewers who wanted to know if they could install the brackets for a stairway like this upside down. And that would look something like this. Now, the reason why I wouldn't want to install them like this is because the gap here is going to be a little bit wider because of the lag bolts you're going to be installing. And if you need a gap between the front of the lag bolt and the tread, it's going to be even further. And to answer your question, I have installed them like this before. And the brackets were made out of about 3/16 of an inch steel. And this part of the bracket was a little bit longer. And I'm not about to suggest that the bracket was made by a building hardware company that manufactures these products and has tested them thoroughly and provide installation instructions for those products. That's not the case here. These products were made by a steel manufacturing company and brought out to the job without any installation instructions. So with that said, if you are going to make your own brackets, then you're probably going to be responsible for them if there's ever a problem in the future. But I don't think that's what the individual is asking. I think they were trying to figure out if a company that makes these brackets and has tested them and does have installation instructions for them can be used upside down. And I couldn't find any information that suggested they could be. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.